Jai Srimanarayana. 24th sloka of 10th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Purodhasancha mukhyam mam vidhi pardha बृहस्पतिं सेनानीनाम् अहं स्कन्दः सरसाम् अस्मि सागरः ॐ. Whenever you have darshanam of Sri Subramanya Swami Kartikeya, think of the higher amount of effulgence of Sri Krishna Paramatma present in Skanda. Whenever you hear about Bruhaspati, think of Krishna Paramatma's higher amount of effulgence present in Bruhaspati. Whenever you see the ocean, think of Krishna Paramatma's higher amount of effulgence in the ocean. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Krishna Paramatma seriously asking you to surrender to him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, "Come to me, surrender to me alone. You do not cry. Mamekam Saranam Vraja Ma Suchaha." Now you must respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma to make him happy, saying these lines within your bhavana. Ho Krishna, Ho Sriman Narayana, I shall definitely think of your higher amount of effulgence present in Kumaraswamy whenever I do darshanam of Kartikeya. Ho Krishna, Ho Sriman Narayana, I shall definitely think of your higher amount of effulgence present in the ocean whenever I see the ocean. Ho Krishna, Ho Sriman Narayana, whenever I do hear about Bruhaspati, I shall definitely think of your higher amount of spark in the Bruhaspati. Ho Krishna, Ho Sriman Narayana, I shall surrender to you alone. I shall not cry. Sriman Narayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava, I shall obey your orders. Please help me act according to your word. Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpatarorgalitam phalam Sukhamukhadamrutadravasanयुtam Pibata Bhagavatam Rasamalayam Muhuraho Rasika Bhuvi Bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krutyam Dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava Putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu Tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana Chaturmukha Brahma Saraswati Devi Vyasa Maharshi Narayanam Namaskritya Naram Chaiva Narottamam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam Tato Jayam Vudirayet. Srimad Bhagavatamu Dasamaskandhamu 10th Skandham 134th day. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukayogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, "Oh Parikshin Narendra, Yasoda Devi chasing Sri Krishna. She is trying to catch Sri Krishna, the one who cannot be caught by even great tapasyas, by enlightened people. Such Parabrahma is now Yasoda Devi trying to catch him. While running behind Krishna, Yasoda Devi thinking like this, Baludi tandani bhavintu nanduna ye peddalunu nerari kramambu. If I want to just leave him because he is small boy, no. He is doing such activities, even elders also doesn't know about all those activities. Not only that, Nerapu Erunguta Kunai Verapintu Nanduna Kaligileka Vokkadu Kaniledu. If I want to just put some fear to him, scare him, frighten him, no, I don't want to do that because he's my only son, and after so much time, so many years, I got this child. I don't want to do that. Anyway, if I want to give him nice teachings, no, sometimes he behaves like such a wonderful kid. And if I think that, okay, let me not do anything, he will be anyway at home. No, he won't be at home. He is going so many places and doing so many things. There is no any place that he has not gone. There is no any place that he has not seen. Like that, he is doing so many things. Like this, Yasoda Devi, while thinking, she is running behind Krishna. Anvanchamana janani bruhat chalat shroni bhara akranta gatihi dasi krusi janita svedamuton. Because she is running, she got tired and her speed gone down. She is getting sweated. Vishramsita kesha bandhanachyuta prasunanugatihi. From her hair, all the flowers are falling down. Like that, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu. Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarashatravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 10th chapter, 24th sloka. Purodhasancha mukhyam mam Viddhi Partha Bruhaspatim. Senani namaham skandaha Sarasam asmi sagaraha. Purodhasancha mukhyam mam Viddhi Partha Bruhaspatim. Senani namaham skandaha Sarasam asmi sagaraha. Srimannarayana Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.